Okay, so it says determine the intervals over which the function is decreasing, increasing, and constant. So I have to have my little person and take it for a walk. So right here, this person is walking down, so this part is decreasing. So it's decreasing, and it looks like it probably goes on forever. So let's look. It's decreasing from here to here. So that's negative infinity, and it stops here, which is -3. Then it's flat, which means it's constant. And it's constant from -3 to 3. And then they start walking up, 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 up. So it's increasing. And it's increasing from 3 to positive infinity. You don't put positive in the computer in my math lab. It will say it's crazy. Okay, so decreasing, constant, increasing. Ooh, it's the first one. We don't have to check all the other ones. Good. Okay, so the next one. Choose the correct function or equation for the following description. A linear function whose graph has a y-intercept of 6. So what's our favorite equation for the slope of a line, or the y-intercept? So the y-intercept equation. So y equals mx plus b. So this thing here is the y-intercept, and this is my slope. Remember? So it says the y-intercept is 6. So it's going to be y equals mx, some number here, who cares what it is, and it's going to be plus 6. That's a funny 6. Let's make it a 6. That's even a worse 6. 6. So which one is plus 6? This one. Okay? So because I have a plus 6, that means that's my y-intercept. Okay? Oh, I'm done. Next one. Oh my gosh, this is like super big. Who's your teacher giving you crazy questions like this? So it says graph the line and give the domain and range. Okay, so if I can make this into this form, then I can graph it super easy. So let's write this out. Y equals mx plus b. So I have 5y minus 2x equals 0. So I'm going to solve for y. So that's close, that's far, so I'm going to get rid of this first. So that's gone. So 5y equals 2x. I need to get y by itself, so divide by 5, divide by 5. So y equals 2 over 5x. There's no y-intercept. That means it's plus 0. So if there's nothing for the y-intercept, it's going to be 0. So to graph it, that's my y-intercept, that's my slope. So slope is 2 over 5. That means go up 2, right 5. So step 1, we put a point at 0, and then we go up. And we put a point at 0 because there is no y-intercept, which really means it's 0. So then we put a point at 2, we go up 2, and we go right 5. There's my other point. And then there's my graph. Okay. It's a line. So now we have to do domain, which is x. It keeps going on forever and ever and ever and ever using all the positive x values. It goes forever and ever and ever using all the negative values. So my domain is going to be negative infinity to infinity. Okay, I don't use this one on my math lab because it has curly brackets. I only use curly brackets if I want to put a list of numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, use this one. And here, see how it says interval answer? I want an interval. Now, what's the range? The range is y. So it keeps going on forever and ever and ever and uses all the positive y values. It goes on forever and ever and ever and uses all the negative y values. So it's going to be negative infinity to infinity. There.